Okay, I've done a little bit of modifying to my ARB dual air compressor here. Put a 1 gallon tank here. Why? So I can run air tools. I can run air tools with a power tank, no problem. But with the compressor here without the tank, you pull the trigger and the air tool would run fast and it would slow down because you didn't have enough reserve capacity. This is a 1 gallon ARB tank here. Oh, where's the fire extinguisher, you ask, that was there before? It's over on the door now. On the this folds down into a table too, by the way. So let's see how this works now. I have a pneumatic drill here. Now this may spurt a bit because it was charged up earlier. Nope. Okay. Put the drill on. Turn the switch on here. Now I may have to fill this back up again a little bit. Nope, it still has quite a bit in it. Now watch how this works. Let this build up again. Okay, it's built back up. That's enough air pressure to drill through something. Still, the power tank wins though over for running air tools. I'll turn that off. Now I'll drain my tank out here. Cool. This will also be nice too to have a little bit of extra air in it for filling up tires faster too.